Hey guys, I'm out here. Me and Andrew decided to hit up this field. It's been tough, but I just pulled this thing. I don't know if it's a coin or what the heck it is, but it rang up low like a 51 on the dais too. So I have no clue, never seen anything like this. Could be just a piece like broken off to something. But I'll have to look it up later and see if I can identify it. Yes. Got this awesome buckle. It has been pretty tough in this field. Got a couple musket balls. Andrew got a copper and some other copper coin and a buckle, and I just got this. Super excited. Right, we'll keep going. Alright, I guess it's a buckle kind of day for us. This part, I got this piece, it's missing the rest of it. This stuff is deep though. I'm talking like probably like a good 8 inches down. That one was really deep. It's pretty cool. I always love finding little buckles. Too bad I couldn't find the rest of it, but there's nothing left in the hole. Alright, we will keep on going. So I just got an oldie. It is like pretty dirty and I'm afraid to do anything to it because the back is horrendous. But it looks super old. I'm going to try to take an Andres pencil to it later. See if I can get any detail off of it. Alright, we'll clean it up later. Well, I got my first 3 Merry Widows condom tin. Everybody I know finds them, but this is my first one. We have been getting you know what today. None of us have really found anything amazing, but still fun to go out with friends and my bro. So we'll keep going. Alright guys, I just found this. I don't know if it went to a pen or something, but it's like so super shiny. I don't know if it's like stainless steel. If it is a pen, it's like some type of fancy one. Or if it is even a pen, I'm not sure. But super cool. It's been a wicked tough hunt today. I think I got just a button and this pretty much in like 8 hours. But I'm gonna try to wrap it up with some good finds for the night. Let's keep going. All right, I just scored a button. Looks pretty nice. Kind of got a weird shape to it. Oh, in these woods here. Let me zoom out. I'm out with Woody and Andrew today. It's been a tough hunt so far. I've been out an hour and just, I got a musket ball and now this. All right, we'll keep going. Shoe buckle? Oh, some type of buckle. Cool. Our dry spell is over. Very nice. All right. Looks like we have a bracelet in here. I'm gonna be careful not to try and break it. Trying to do this with one hand. Get a little bit of a chunk of it. Huh. Pretty cool. Looks like probably nothing too fancy, but looks like it has a little skull on it. Festive for Halloween. Alright, not too bad. Just hit this school that my kid goes to. Had a couple hours to burn, so decided to come out here and give it a shot. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, just pulled a button. It's definitely been a tough hunt today. I've only been out for like an hour though. But the front, it's pretty shined up. Not bad for condition. I mean, these fields are pretty old. Go back to like 1600. Alright, love buttons too. Probably got about over 100 of them. So it's been a while since I've found a bale seal. They're always cool to find. This one actually, I had to try to clean it off. Had some writing on it. B&M. Some little design on it. Pretty cool. Back has some stuff on it too. But I'll clean that up later. Alright, I came out today and found a little old suspender buckle. I always love finding buckles, especially old ones. They're pretty cool. Alright, let's keep going.
You ever hear of that breakfast cereal, Wheaties?
Yeah.
Well, I found a box.
Did you pull like 10 already?
No, this is like 14. I'm still going. Might be it now.
Let me hold on. Let me go back over. Yeah, you got them all finally. 10 minutes later. Just found this big like spoon thingy. Never seen one with a hole in it though. It's kind of weird. I think there's still like, I don't know if there's a piece in the hole, but I'm gonna go back in there. So I'm still getting a signal. But pretty neat. Alright, we've been going at it for about 5 hours out here. It has been a tough ass hunt. And I hope I have a silver here. Finally. Yeah. Alright. It's not a barber or anything, but silver. I'll take it. I just dug this pretty awesome thing. Pretty ornate. Not sure what it goes on, but looks like it was probably screwed onto something, but it's definitely old. Out in the woods again. Muggy as hell. The mosquitoes are horrible. But finding stuff like this makes it worth it. Okay, so I just pulled this Merc dime from here, and apparently it's still something in the hole. Ugh. So it's gotta be, looks like it's right over here somewhere. And looks like my broskies. Alright, where'd you go? It's in this wall right here. Is it this thing? I'm blind right here. Oh, another silver.
Huh?
Another silver.
All right.
Another Merc dime. Lovely. Yes, sir.
Woohoo! Hey, Ben.
Any more stuff in there?
I don't know yet. I don't know what the hell this is.
These freaking coin spells are crazy.
Buffalo nickel.
Nice. We got a V-nickel, buffalo, and a standing liberty.
Yeah,
Out of this little hole.
What a good hole.
That makes it pretty easy to narrow down the year, too.
Yeah. It's got design on the bowl pot.
Just found this little silver spoon. Some writing on it. It's about like a foot down.
The backyard of our cousin's house.
Silver all day. Oh man, look at the inside.
I know, isn't that cool?
that spoon, guys.